insurance is often overlooked during the home buying process, but it's one of the most crucial safeguards a homeowner can have. In today's Living Akamai segment, Kay breaks it down for us.
Today we have Kurt Johnson with Fidelity National Title and Escrow joining us again to discuss title insurance. Welcome, Kurt.
Thank you, Kay, for allowing me to be here today.
Educate us on title insurance. What is it?
When you buy or refinance a home, title insurance verifies that the property has a clear ownership history. It ensures that there are no hidden claims, disputes, or restrictions that could affect your rights to your home. Only person or persons on the title can make any decision on selling the home.
So why should homeowners purchase title insurance for their property?
As one of the biggest purchases a person may make, having title insurance protects you from any defects in title. That's where things like liens, easements, encroachments, or taxes come into play. These can sometimes create confusion about who really has the right to the property. And the last thing any homeowner wants is a surprise, a legal dispute that puts their ownership in question. Title insurance also covers items such as false impersonation of the true owner of the property, a big topic at the moment with absentee owners, forged documents, invalid documents, expired power of attorney, undisclosed missing heirs, mistakes in recording legal documents executed by the persons that are not of sound mind, and fraud. Here's an example. Mr. Smith claims he is the successor trustee to his parents' property, and both parents have passed. Mr. Smith enters into a purchase contract with a buyer and produces what appears to be his parents' trust agreement to the title company, as well as a certification of death for each parent. All appears to be legit, right? Unfortunately, in this instance, the parents had actually reinstated their trust agreement, notifying the original trust agreement, and the successor trustee was revised from 1 successor trustee to 3 co-successor trustees. If the sale had gone through with the title insurance, the buyer should have a valid claim with the title company. How could a situation such as this been avoided? As part of our due diligence at Fidelity, we request to review the full trust agreement, including any amendments and/or restatements and consent letters signed by all beneficiaries, acknowledging they are aware and consent to the sale of the property.
That's great. So how does title insurance actually work?
Unlike auto and health insurance, where you pay monthly for protection after an incident, title insurance is one-time payment you make at closing as long as you are the owner of the property, and may also extend it should you transfer ownership into your trust. It protects you from future claims, offering peace of mind for both you and your lender.
Gosh, peace of mind is so important, and I'm glad our viewers now understand what you get when you pay for title insurance. Thanks for joining us, Kurt.
Thank you, Kay, for allowing me to be here today.
If you would like to speak with Kurt Johnson or attend one of our upcoming events, give us a call at 808-725-2000 or check out our website at livingakamai.com. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Engel Invokers Honolulu is here to help you live Akamai.
Super important for both of us. Mikey and I, we both know as homeowners how important something like that is to protect your asset. But great information and more information available on KH12.com.
That's right. And make sure you check out our seminars.
Yeah, exactly, yes.